Here we have the Allwave 11G electric bike. This is the most powerful step-thru on the market. We've combined using the best system and motor details that you can find. So this has got a Brose S 250 watt motors with a massive 90 Newton meters of torque. As you can see, this bike has no road kit on whatsoever and comes in with the 11-speed hub gears with an optional belt drive system on there as well. So you can have it either as a belt drive or a chain. It's a very light step-thru without the kit on, and there's a 500 watt-hour battery. We're finding customers are getting about 60 to 70 miles range out of this bike, and comes with a really neat adjustable handlebar. So if you need an upright position, you can just change it here as you're stationary. Make sure it's all sort of aligned perfectly for yourself, and then you just click that lever and it's there for you. You can adjust the seat post. It comes with a suspension seat post. However, if it's a little bit on the tall side for you, because this is a 45 centimetre, we don't get a lot of people in the 5 foot actually buying this bike, and I'll have a non-suspension seat post. But the bike on its own, very light and agile. You've got 26-inch wheels on here with bubble tyres, so it's actually quite comfortable even without the suspension seat post. You've got front forks, twister grip on here, and your all-round console as well, which is very simple to use. You've just got an on-off switch and different levels of assistance. The low mode, you can have it as off as a normal bicycle, and this bike does ride really nice as a normal bicycle actually. You can have it in the eco mode, which will give you 100% of what your legs are doing. The tour will give you 200%, the sport 300%, and the boost, imagine that, 380% of what your legs are doing on a step-thru model. So we claim this to be the most powerful step-thru on the market. It's a good all-round bike. You're never going to get caught short, and the steeper the hill, the more assistance that it gives you. Okay, it's also got a nifty walk assist button as well, so you can actually just press this button underneath. It says push, press the middle bits, and then that will just walk you up any hill. The main reason you use that is even if you've got mobility issues and you need help getting up the hill and you can't quite cycle up there, like I say, with this powerful motor, there's no hill that you can't really get up. What we've combined here is the Brose S motor, which is 250 watts and 90 Newton meters, combined with the hub gears and with an optional sort of chain and belt drive option. Now what we do, if you'd like to fill out the form on our website or request a call back, somebody will give you a call back within 27 seconds, and we actually design and build each bike to order by yourself. So if you would like one of these bikes, give me a call and I'll help you choose the best setup for yourself, bearing in mind that there's thousands of bikes on the market there. We've narrowed this down to just being the best system on the market with just your Brose S motor, the hub gears, a 500 watt battery, and the best console and gear system setup we can find. So I hope you enjoyed this bike. This is the Allwave 11G all-round electric bike, which will get you up any hill, anytime, further or faster than ever before. Thank you.